Good morning, students. Today we will continue our GK period again. So first of all, let's go to class 7, then GK, then general knowledge, then this one is period, this one is full period, right? Then I can select each of them. So in your last class, I think we have covered this one, the Kaziranga National Parks, 3 states. I think it's discussing about 3 states. This has been decided surrounded Kaziranga National Park. Now this one. So I think Gir Forest National Park is also finished. Now Bandipur National Park. So it is located. It is about these folks, okay? Called Dolls. So it is located in the Mysore district in the state of Karnataka, where the Deccan Plateau meets the Western Ghats. So I will just read it because you can read it by yourself. In GK there is nothing to explain it much. So these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks, and these are the blanks. Can you see these blanks dash? So in exam these might come as fill in the blanks. Suppose Mysore district. Bandipur National Park is located in which state? So I must ask it like this. Bandipur National Park is located in which place? So you must say Karnataka. Okay. So together with the adjoining Nagarhole National Park, Madhumalai National Park, and Wandayat Wild Sanctuary, it is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is established in this Bandipur. We are discussing about this Bandipur. So it is established in 1974 as Tiger Reserve. This one is one fill in the blanks. Then reserve under the project of Tiger. So TIGER. Then it is the home of what? Elephant. Okay, it is the home of elephants, gears, tigers, sloths, bears. Okay, this one is BEARS. Indian rock pythons. So python is a kind of snake. Then four horn, and what is this? Antelopes. So it is about which class? Let me check it. I think it is follow. So it is the home of elephants, gears, tigers, sloth, bears, and python. Don't forget about these blanks. Okay, don't forget about these blanks. Sorry, D. So don't forget. So don't forget about these blanks. This is one blank. This is another. 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 Now let's go to another. Sundarban. So Sundarban is very famous place. So Sundarban, okay, this one is blank. It lies as a vast belt of Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal, formed by the confluences of the river Padma Brahmaputra. Okay, Padma Brahmaputra. Okay, I will just zoom it. So I think it's little bit clear. Yeah, it's clear enough. So this forest is covered approximately 10,000 square kilometer of 60%, which is located in Bangladesh. So it is UNESCO World Heritage Site. So it is declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO, okay, United Nations. So it contains the largest single block of mangrove forest in the world. So it contains the largest single block of mangrove forest in the world. scrolling. Mangrove forest in the world. It is one of the largest reserves for Bengal tigers. Okay, literally translated its name as beautiful forest. So I'm just reading it out because you might get confused. I won't explain. I don't see anything to explain in GK subject. So you just need to read it and write it as fill in the blanks, because GK subject don't need any explanation. So also called Keoladeo National Park. Keoladeo National Park. Now the World Heritage Site is created by 250 years ago, about 250, also called as Ghana National Park. Keoladeo National Park is also called as Ghana National Park. It was earlier known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Okay, I think birds are stored. This type of birds are stored. So it is located in Bharatpur in the state of where Rajasthan, and it is home to over 230 species of bird, 380 feral species, 50 species of fish, and 13 species of snake, 5 species of lizard, 7 amphibian species, 7 turtle species, and a variety of other invertebrates. Okay, established in 1982, it plays the host to the thousands of birds in the main of migratory birds. Okay, so now I think this is the last one. So now is Natanki National Park. So Natanki National Park is in Nagaland. Okay, parent district in the Nagaland, founded in 1923. So remember, this one is just fill in the blanks. Okay, I've already written the answer, you can check it by yourself. So among the creatures, it is the inhabited part are the golden langur. Okay, they are common and mostly found are golden langur. This one is the golden langur, monkey type. This one is the golden langur. Okay, monkey type. So monitor lizards, pythons, sloths, bears, and the rare hooklock gibbon. So can you see hooklock gibbon? This one. Langur have long tails. Okay, which is the only one of its kind in India. So Natanki National Park is famous for hooklock gibbon. Okay, hooklock gibbon. So it is bird watcher paradise. You can get to see hornbill. Hornbill is very famous, I think. Like they are having long long hornbills, common, pleasant, khalij, black stork, white breasters, kingfisher, and many more feather friends. Okay, feather friends means birds. So Natanki National Park is famous for different reasons, like langurs, then hooklock gibbons, and there are different species of birds. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do it by your own, or you have to unscramble the letters to get the name of these birds, animals found in the wild parks and sanctuaries India. Suppose this one is scrambled in words. Okay, so you need to find and make unscramble this word. Okay, so this one is, let me give you an example, black stork. Okay, so we have just discussed this one, black stork. So B L A C K, black, S T R O K, stork. So I have given you first one answer. You have to find this answer. This one is also very simple, and this one is also, you have to find these two answer by your own. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.